Hello and welcome. This is Chili Cube, and I'm doing something completely different today. I am actually I'm not going to pour or paint. Well, no, I'm not going to paint this little flower pot that I have there. I'm actually going to use my paint and pouring medium to actually soak that. You see that linen sort of white gauze cloth that I have there, and I want to coat my little pot with it, see what I can create out of it. Fancy doing something different than pouring on canvas, so I'm going to see if I can create something on this little garden pot and put some succulents in it or something, and try and see if I can get something different. So I'm using that just straight metallic gold and straight pouring medium because I want to dip that cloth in it to absorb the colour, but then also have it nice and sticky. So when I put it on the side of my little pot, just add in a bit of water there, put it on, wrap it around my pot, and I will just leave it to dry, the pot to dry, and that material will hopefully, the plan is to dry onto the pot. So it's just something different than actually painting the pot. It's putting texture, it's a complete medium onto the pot. So let's see how it all works out. So all the mixing was done. I really mixed it in well. So now time to cut this it's like a cheesecloth gauze, I guess. I just got it from the discount shop in my town. So I thought it would just add texture to that little bowl. I'm seeing how it really does work out to do it on something much bigger. So not sure whether that me mixing the paint and my pouring medium will make it dry hard, so we're going to see. So I'm giving that cloth a real good soaking in my lovely metallic gold mix, and the cloth sort of feeling as though it's going real limp and wonky now, but I'll keep sort of mixing the colour in with it, making sure that colour is all the way through the gauze or whatever it is. Oh, look at it. It looks like an old rag, doesn't it? Oh, my goodness. What crazy ideas you get, Miss Julie. Let's see how it performs. So just putting a little pot on that sort of plastic dish, because I thought then as it's drying it won't stick to the dish if the dish is plastic. So I'm going to wrap it around, not going to put it right on the very bottom of my pot so I can just still stand it as it is, but I'm going to wrap it up like a mummy, and hopefully do a bit of pulling and tugging here and there on it and see if I can get some sort of ripples in it for effect. So it might look like, somebody's sculpted it out of clay. Anyway, I'm having a fun old time here, and really that's what it's all about. It's doing something in your art, your way, your rules, your way. Nobody there to bother me, nobody there to criticise, and it's sometimes all of us need at times is just to be in the moment, playing around, whether it be in paint or clay or in the garden or in nature. It's definitely good for the soul and well-being, so I definitely suggest it. So I'll just give it a pull every here, there and everywhere, and try and create some some sort of texture in it, which is what I do, get some scratching it, pulling it, stretching it, pressing my fingers in it so it gives it some divots, but it actually feels really nice to do, so can't complain. It's and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just leave it to dry for a couple of days so it goes nice and hard. I mean, I might leave it exactly as it is, or I might tizzy it up. So if you guys have got any ideas, or you know any more about creating something in different textures, I'd love to hear in the comments. So don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. That always helps me as a creator. And thank you very much. So there you go. So I'm sort of still playing around with it, but I am going to leave it to dry. So I tried adding a little bit of like the raffia type string around it, and then that weird little flower, but I think that sort of ponces it up a bit too much. So I might take the flower off and just leave the kind of stringy raffia around the finished piece, I guess. I don't know. It's a cute little gift, probably to give an older friend, I think. What do you guys think? Please let me know. I'd be interested to see what you think I should put on there, if anything. Or, I mean, but it was just a little bowl, and it's given me so many ideas now. Even the backing on this here would be really nice, glued to just a plain old vase to create something else on it, and then maybe make something else of it. But yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think. So leave a like and comment, and please let me know. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.